Dadaatv. Learn common verbs part 2. Our first verb is cook. Cooking is when you make food. Look at the chef cooking in the kitchen. Yum, that looks delicious. Cook. 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 Next, we have walk. Walking is when you move on your feet. Here's a girl walking alone in the park. She looks like she is having a great time. Walk. 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 Now, let's learn listen. Listening is when you hear sounds. Look at the girl listening to music with her headphones. She loves the song. Listen. 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 Our next verb is talk. Talking is when you use your voice to speak. Here are 3 friends talking and laughing together. They enjoy chatting. Talk. 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 Now, let's learn wash. Washing is when you clean something. Look at the boy washing his hands with soap and his mother is washing her face. It's important to stay clean. Wash. 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 Our next verb is climb. Climbing is when you move up something. Here's a girl climbing a tree. She's having a fun adventure. Climb. 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 Now, let's learn ride. Riding is when you sit on something that moves. Look at the boy riding his bike. He's going fast. Ride. 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 Our last verb is smile. Smiling is when you show your happiness. Here's a girl smiling. Smiles make everyone feel good. Smile. 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 What did we learn? Talk. Climb. Wash. Ride. Smile. Walk. Listen. Cook. Great job, kids. Now you know more common verbs: cook, walk, listen, talk, wash, climb, ride, and smile. Don't forget to subscribe and watch more fun videos on Dadaatv. See you next time.